Hey, this is Mikey at the Hair Business Blueprint, and today I'm going to introduce you to Shopify's email marketing platform. Email marketing is a crucial part for your hair business to be successful selling online. As a matter of fact, email marketing will generally drive 20 to 30% of your online hair and beauty sales. In this tutorial, I will show you the information pages for the Shopify email marketing system, as well as how to install the Shopify email marketing app into your Shopify store. I will have links to the Shopify email information pages that I refer to in this video down in the description so you can visit them at a later time. There are pros and cons to all available email marketing platforms. Shopify email is an easy-to-use and low-cost alternative to something like Klaviyo or ActiveCampaign. This video is the first of a multi-part training series for the Shopify email marketing system, so make sure you subscribe to my channel now and give this video a thumbs up to show some industry love. Now, let's jump into Shopify email. All right, the first page we're going to visit this is on the Shopify website. Like I mentioned, I have a link to the description below because I think it's really important before you sign up for these types of services to do a little bit of research on them and understand the features of the Shopify system or any system before you get started. So what I do like about Shopify email opposed to something like MailChimp, Shopify is really built for commerce. So the goal for this is really to help you sell online. And, Shopify email is something that's relatively new. I think it's just over a year and a half, maybe 2 years old. But, there's a lot of other programs that have been building up their platforms for many years, 5, 10 years. So it's really easy to design branded emails. No coding, so that's really important. So it's just more of a drag and drop system, kind of like you can see over here. They're just dragging and dropping all the different items to build out these emails. You can manage the campaigns within Shopify. So one advantage of using the Shopify email marketing system with the Shopify platform, the integration is going to be as tight as possible because it's all done in-house. And of course, you can get started for free. You can send up to 2,500 emails per month. You see that right here, 2,500 emails per month. So really, you have no excuse not to start building your email list and working with at least this platform because you can send out 2,500 emails a month for free. So it's free to get started. And what this allows you to do is really start growing your business with very limited risk and cost. And once you get to the point where you actually have to start paying for Shopify email, you're going to be like, wow, I'm making a lot of money from this email. I'd be happy to pay them. I'm laughing a little bit when you say happy, but it's true. Like you want to pay for great services. So it'll show here how simple all the stuff is set up. And in the future videos that I have in this tutorials and in this tutorial series, you will see that I will walk you through how to create a lot of these emails. So basically you start with your brand. This is pretty similar to a lot of other systems where you're going to add your logo. It's going to import your products, the store colors. So make sure that you have some very specific colors that you use for your store and make sure that it's all congruent with your email online. If you're printing your Instagram, you should really try to use the same color so people can really feel like they know it's your brand. You're going to pick a template, very similar with all newsletters. They have probably a bunch of pre-designed templates for you to make it really easy. And then of course, you're going to customize and personalize the email. And you can see here, so you can pick, what you're going to do here. So you're going to use your own domain name. Make sure if you're sending out emails, just in general, I talk about this all the time, you really need to have your own email address at your domain name. So if your website is Best Hair and Beauty, it needs to be coming from service@besthairandbeauty or something along those lines. Not from besthairandbeauty@gmail.com. Do not do that. So you're going to choose you're going to use your domain name. You're going to be able to choose the recipients so you can talk about all the different customers you have. What I do like about this is it's going to break down your customers into segments, because it's really important to segment your customers within your emails, because you don't want to send, if a customer hasn't purchased from you before, you're probably going to send a different offer than something to a VIP customer or, a repeat customer. You can really tailor your email to say, hey, thanks for shopping with us often. Here's an additional XYZ discount, or you can get a free item. Now, if you sent thanks for shopping with us to a new customer that's never purchased, it's never going to make sense. So having these segmentations are going to be really important, and we're going to get through those in the upcoming series. So then you get to analyze and evolve. So Shopify has done a really good job lately of giving you a lot more analytics of what's going on. And over time, you're going to get better at reading those analytics and making better decisions of what type of emails to send, when to send them. You're going to be able to see your growth of your email system. So then you can see how the pricing works. 2,500 emails a month for free. You can't go wrong with that. And then 1,000 additional emails sent, or basically a tenth of a penny per additional email. So I think that's pretty fair. And there is some help tutorials and other stuff for your Shopify email system. What you're going to like about this, if you're in hair and beauty, we're going to really go over it for the hair and beauty industry. So this is the Shopify page, their basic marketing page for their system. And then we're going to go over, this is the Shopify app page. So this is the actual app where you're going to install it into your store. It goes over, once again, more features. And yes, I have a link to all these pages in the description. And once again, free to install. They do have a bunch of 1-star reviews, but I think that's okay. Those could be from when they first started out and launched this. It wasn't as feature rich. So let's go ahead and take a look at how to install this Shopify email marketing app into your Shopify store. All right, so this should look familiar. I am in the back end of just one of our many test stores that we use here at Private Label and for all our drop shipping systems. So I'm just in the back end here. I'm going to go to apps. You're going to see all your apps installed here, and it's going to have some recommended apps. Actually, it's funny, Shopify recommends their own app. So this actually makes it really easy. So what you could do is you can click this, or customize your store. Will link you over like this to the Shopify email. You're going to log into your account. And then basically you can go through and pick out the emails and ideas. We already have it here, but what you could do for any app is you could just search Shopify email, and that's how you're going to find the apps. And you can click search, and it's right here. So it's really simple to do. All you're going to do is click Shopify email. We're going to click add app. It is going to say, yep, do I want to install that? Yes, I do. Okay, and now the app is installed in your store, and we can really get started in the upcoming videos to show you how to use the Shopify app. All right, I hope you enjoyed the quick introduction to the Shopify email marketing system. Make sure to go to the next video or subscribe to get into the video series so you can see how to use the Shopify email system for your hair store.